In this demanding environment, products need to be able to stand up to the extremes: underwater currents, ultraviolet radiation, temperature variation, waves and harsh winds create tough conditions for products to endure and perform. At Trelleborg Offshore, we have years of experience in evolving specialist solutions for the widest of challenges. In this short video, we'll be shining a light on the toughest marine product solutions for your surface and subsea applications. We'll be explaining the issues around buoyancy, impact and abrasion resistance, durability, and materials technology that may affect your product's performance in the harshest environments. When it comes to surface buoyancy, we know how important it is that a buoy has enough reserve on the surface to enable it to securely hold something in place, or to mark location clearly. When calculating reserve, we also account for other factors in addition to the load, including undercurrents, waves and wind conditions. Design and technology that doesn't address these unpredictable conditions can have effects that go beyond retrieving the buoy. More importantly, whatever is attached, such as piping or fibre optic cables, could also be lost at a great cost. At Trelleborg Offshore, we offer specialist design and specification services to calculate the exact reserve needed, depending on the environment and predicted loads, in order to avoid over-specification, ensuring maximum performance and saving you money. Material and construction play a major role in ensuring performance. A closed-cell flotation design means if the skin of a buoy is broken, water will not penetrate the internal layers and impair performance. A thick outer layer of flexible polyurethane foam between 10 and 20 mm thick helps to ensure it will last more than 20 years of punishment in operation. Buoyancy for subsea use is as much of a challenge as buoyancy for surface application. To achieve a precise level of flotation at specific depths, a comprehensive knowledge of material options and detailed information on the application is required. Our buoyancy design service combines a wealth of experience with a huge bank of data on our buoyancy materials. This allows us to offer the most cost-effective flotation for the application in question, no matter what the depth. In order to achieve the best solutions for a wide variety of depths, different materials are used for buoyancy fabrication. For near-surface use, this could be closed-cell rigid polyurethane foams, and for greater depths, copolymer. In the deepest of applications, syntactic foam is used. These materials are engineered to provide cost-effective solutions whether 50 or 6,000 meters seawater. Floating foam fender systems are designed to absorb the high levels of energy that can be created during vessel berthing. Floating fenders are widely used in ports and harbours and in ship-to-ship transfer operations. Vessels such as large tankers and smaller passenger ferries can all be berthed using floating fenders. Trelleborg Offshore's floating foam fenders are constructed using a core of closed-cell energy-absorbing polyethylene foam. This is protected within an abrasion and impact-resistant fabric-reinforced elastomer skin. Trelleborg foam fenders offer higher levels of energy absorption and lower reaction force than similar sizes of pneumatic fender. Foam fenders cannot be deflated, and those without tire nets are considered non-marking. This makes them ideal for use by navies, cruise lines, and in more remote locations. At Trelleborg, we can calculate the dimensions of an appropriate foam fender, and will take into account factors such as berthing velocity, tonnage, vessel type, and numerous other factors. When designing products for use in a marine environment, it's essential that the correct materials are used. Choosing the correct polymer grades for the outer skin and foam cores will ensure the product performs well, even in the toughest of environments. In cold water, different skin and core materials will be employed than in environments where temperatures are much higher. The use of a suitable material will mean that it does not become brittle and crack in the cold, or soften, distort and tear when too hot. Another important aspect of surface buoyancy is long-lasting visibility. Trelleborg considers this carefully when specifying both material type and colour versus location. We offer materials with good resistance to the effects of ultraviolet radiation and provide colours that are more heat-reflective where appropriate. Our experience and materials expertise is always at your disposal for specific advice on products and application, whatever your specification. When you need products that won't let you down, contact Trelleborg Offshore and ensure you have the toughest products for the harshest environments.